Hello, today we are talking about something exciting and it is literature. We'll be talking about more figures of speech. Let us start with antithesis. When Neil Armstrong stepped onto the surface of the moon in 1969, he said these words: "That's one small step for a man, but a giant leap for mankind." This expression is an example of antithesis because together the two halves of the sentence emphasize the incredible contrast between the individual experience of going to the moon and then the extraordinary progress that Armstrong's step symbolized for the human race. Antithesis is a figure of speech in which a word or an idea is placed in contrast with the opposite word or idea in the same sentence. Another example is an expression a lot of politicians use: united we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. This means that for a group of people, their standing together is their staying together. It means they must stand together to stay together. Let us go to oxymeron. Oxymeron is a figure of speech in which two opposing words are placed together to create a sharp contrast. So basically, oxymeron is a combination of two words that really have opposite meanings put together. Listen to these sentences. Suddenly, the room was filled with a deafening silence. Suddenly, the room filled with a deafening silence. Another example. The comedian was seriously funny. The comedian was seriously funny. You use oxymeron when you put seriously and funny together. Now, note that oxymeron is usually not a full sentence like irony, innuendo, antithesis, and paradox, but it is in most cases a phrase that contains two or more words. For you to be sure you have established understanding, please go over the video so that you can be sure you have understood today's class. It's nice being with you in class today. Bye for now.